Hello, welcome back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Disney set, Jasmine's jewelry box. So there's Jasmine and Aladdin included in this set. This looks so beautiful, right? Look at that carpet thing flying in the sky. Okay, so let's see what's inside. So there's two guidebooks in this set and also a small sticker as well. And we've got 6 bags of Lego. So first, this is Jasmine, and she's wearing beautiful clothes. She's my first Jasmine, and I love her golden shoes and like necklace and everything. So fancy, right? And look at her hairstyle. Her hairstyle is super fancy too. Looks so wonderful. So this is Jasmine and this is Aladdin. Actually, I didn't know that his name was Aladdin. I thought just the title was Aladdin, like title movie, title of the movie. But then come to think about it, it makes sense that his name is Aladdin because that's the title of the movie. Anyway, he's holding like this flower and he's wearing a very nice looking vest as well. And they're wearing same shoes and similar pants. Like the shape is the same but the color is different. So this jewelry box is really cute and really nice because we also have like some drawers next to it, and that's where we can put some stuff inside. So yeah, so this is the box shape. So we're making the box shape now. So this is how big it's going to be. Like it's not that big, but it looks really cute, right? Let's put some turquoise color because that's Jasmine's main color, and also some blue as well. So it's gonna look like a little treasure chest, and there's gonna be like the setting sun, and like clouds and stars, and basically the carpet. Is it the carpet? Anyway, the carpet is flying on top of everything. It's flying on it's flying on top of the clouds, so it's flying really high like an airplane. Yeah, so anyway, this is what we're going to put in the middle. But yeah, so if we turn the handle, this carpet will move, but it moves really like funny. It's the way it moves is super funny. I think you'll understand if you see it for yourself. It's more like jumping than flying, so it's like more like a jumping carpet. It moves like it's really funny. Yeah, so this is the middle part, and let's put these things at the back, and after that we're going to make the drawers, and we can also make our own rings in this set, which is super cute. I love when Lego puts these sort of stuff, like the pizza truck set as well. We can make our own pizza, and like last year the restaurant and academy, like cooking academy set, cooking school, anyway, that also made you like so that you made it like that, so you can design your own menu. Yeah, I love this sort of stuff. So now this is starting to look more like a box now, right? Yeah, so the reason why the right side and the left side is empty is because that's where we're going to put the drawers. Now it's quite fancy, like orange color and green color and like gray color and navy color, but it's okay because we're actually going to cover them all up later. Yeah, there's also like yellow color and like blue color. There's like some golden details on the bottom, which is really cute. So now we're putting some land over here, and we left a little empty square hole in the middle, and these are its legs, like golden color. Pretty, right? Yeah, and some white color as well, like this. So now we are going to make some rings. So let's take the rings out. Yeah, so we've got 2 yellow rings over here, and this we have really nice one, Jasmine's face, so pretty, right? And this one we have like some red ruby colored, like these jewels. Interesting because I never had those red colors before. Looks so pretty. So it's actually, these rings are a little bit small for me, to be honest, because I think it's for like much younger children, but I managed to put them in my finger, but it's actually rather uncomfortable, so I'm just going to take them out now. Anyway, this is our first drawer, and this one is going to be empty because this is where we're going to put our mini dolls. Jasmine and Aladdin are going to stay in here, but for now we're not putting them inside, so for now it's going to be empty. Yeah, this drawer looks so pretty. We're going to make the same one on the right side, and that's where we're going to put our rings and also some other things, other materials, so that we can change the ring design. Yeah, so let's make the same drawer over here as well. I love the drawer handle, like navy with like these white and golden colors. Looks so pretty. Yeah, so let's add some more white colors and also light purple. I love that color. Yeah, so this is the same drawer as the one before, and inside we're going to put some of these things that we can use when we redesign our rings. Yeah, put this drawer over here inside. There you go, perfect. And now cover it with navy color, and now on the top we are adding purple, light purple colors. Yeah, and then we're going to put the sun and the clouds. It's going to look so good. I kind of forgot the story of Aladdin. I don't really remember watching the animation of Aladdin, but I think I did. Yeah, but I don't think I watched it in the cinema. But when I was young, I did see the movie, like the real life version of Aladdin with like real actors. That was like 2018, I think. That's one of my favorite movies. It was actually really good. I am planning to watch Moana soon on July, because Moana real life version is also coming out, like with real actors. I didn't watch Moana actually, like Moana animation, the original Moana, but I'm going to watch this one, and I want to watch it in 4D because I just love 4D. I think 4D is the best thing ever. Okay, so while I was talking, I made lots of clouds. Looks so cute, right? So this, like, basically this carpet is flying on top of the clouds real high, right? I am not so sure if it's possible for us to be flying on top of the clouds without any sort of protection, but probably it's possible because people do skydiving, right? So probably there's no problem with that. But I think if you go even higher than that, it's going to be problem because of like there's not a lot of pressure, and it's going to be difficult. Yeah, so anyway, at the back we are making this sun over here, sun setting sun, but I think it would have been better if they made it a little bit more like orange red, because that's what happens when sun sets. Or maybe this is the sun rising, but sun when the sun is rising, it's also sort of like red and like orange, isn't it? It's been a long time since I saw like sun rising because I don't really wake up that early. But yeah, but actually yellow looks nice though. Yeah, it really looks like a beautiful landscape, doesn't it? We even have like those magic lamp. I don't know how that magic lamp is floating on top of the night sky, but we also have like a castle over there. That's probably Jasmine's castle, I think. But that castle must be really big. It's poking out through the clouds. Yeah, this is really funny. Anyway, we've got some decorations as well with like those nice looking hearts. And oh, we've got some turquoise horses. So cute. And we've got some more cloud over here. This is probably also a cloud shape. So cute, right? This is really hilarious. There's a handle over here so that we can turn our carpet when it flies through the sky. So this is our carpet. So after we build our carpet, that's the end of the video. So, end of the build. So this one, we actually have to build our carpet like this. So it has beautiful patterns, this carpet. It's so the bottom is mint color, and it's more like purple color over here, and we've got some like fires, and also is that a tiger at the end, like 4 tigers? Anyway, some like these transparent color, and where they can attach their foot. Yeah, some golden decorations over here as well. and at the edge as well, like these dangling golden decorations. Looks so cute, right? So now let's attach this carpet over here, and that's how we can turn this. But it's actually more like jumping than flying, like I told you. It's really funny because it's more like hopping carpet. It's gonna be so funny, right? Anyway, this is this set. So we finished building this set. I can't wait to play with it. There's not really a lot to play with it actually, because this is not really the sort of set to play with. It's more like admiring it, right? And like just looking at it. But I always find a way to play with it. So yeah, like now let's start playing with this set. So we've got Aladdin and Jasmine, two mini dolls over here like this. They look so cute, right? And let's say that first Jasmine is just in her castle. Yeah, so let's say that she's inside, even if it doesn't look like she's inside. So she's inside her castle like this. Na 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 na. She's having a very nice time. Oh, if we get rid of the carpet, it looks even prettier. So anyway, Jasmine arrived secretly. Secretly, yeah. I think so. I think they're like secretly, right? Yeah, I kind of forgot the story. Anyway, Aladdin came to pick up Jasmine, and they're going to ride on Jasmine's carpet. Is it Jasmine's carpet or Aladdin's carpet? Anyway, it's probably one of like. Anyway, they're going to ride their carpet together, and that's going to be the best day ever. I think this is like sun rising. I don't think this is the sun setting. But then come to think about it, it's the night sky with the stars. Of course, it's the sun setting, not the sun rising. But then in that case, that's kind of weird that they made it yellow, because it should be more like orange and red, because that's the beauty of sun setting. Anyway, so now they're riding this jumping carpet. That's really hilarious. I mean, I made it go fast so it looks less funny, but it's like even like it's much funnier in real life because it's more like hopping carpet. This is really funny. Anyway, oh my god, it looks really nice though. So they arrived at their destination, the sun setting sun. Oh wow, and over here they can stand over here. That's, you know, it's not enough for two mini dolls, but it's enough for one mini doll to stand in front of the sun. I think Lego made that space on purpose so that the dolls can stand here. It's gonna look so good, but it's kind of hard to make two mini dolls sit down because it's not enough space, and because of the clouds, it's kind of rocky over there. Anyway, this looks so cute, right? They're having such a wonderful time together playing in the sky. Yeah, like this. And as you can see, we've got some cute stars as well. So now let's put the carpet back, and they're going back home, hopping in the carpet. This is really funny, like really hilarious. You don't really have to turn the handle anyway. You can just put it like left, right, and that's the same thing as turning it. Really funny. Anyway, they arrived at their drawer because this is where they're staying. Yeah, because this is where we have to store them. So let's put them inside the drawer, and after that, let's make some rings. Making rings is also really exciting, but yeah, it's a little bit crowded in here, but we can manage two mini dolls. Let's put, oh wait, sorry, it doesn't fit. I think we can't put them like this. We have to like mix it a little bit. Like this. There you go. Now they can go inside. So let's put the drawer inside, and time to make some rings. Ta-da! Let's see what we've got. So we can make only two rings because we only have like two ring shapes, but we can make lots of different designs. This one I really like because it's Jasmine's face like this. And how about we put darker purple now, like white color. I'm putting in my second finger so that I can show it to you easily like this. Looks so cute, right? How about now let's make some other designs. So let's try this light purple color with this Aladdin's flower. This looks nice too, right? And this one darker one with this like transparent color and blue. This one's nice too. How about we add yellow this time? Yeah, how about yellow? I think blue looks better than yellow. Anyway, let's put this heart as well. The heart looks really nice too. Let's try this one like this. two of them. Quite cute, right? Looks really nice. Oh, I have an idea. How about let's put the mini dolls in the rings. Yeah, it's kind of hard to show it to you. This thumb is really cute. So let's put the mini dolls on top of our rings so that we can play with our fingers. It's going to be really funny, right? So let's take out the mini dolls now and see what it will turn out to be. So let's put Jasmine on this one, my second finger, and Aladdin in my fourth finger because I think they won't fit in my middle finger. Anyway, I can play with them like this, moving my fingers. This is really funny, right? Yeah, so this is also a way to play with him. Now let's put them back into its place because I finished playing with it. So let's put the dolls back into its place and also the rings back into its spot. Wait a sec. I think I should give Aladdin his flower because it's not supposed to be the ring accessory. It's actually supposed to be his accessory, right? So let's put it back into its place like this. Put this back inside the drawer like this. There you go. And put the rings back into its drawer as well. So this is the end of the playing. Yeah, this looks so pretty, right? It's a very nice, pretty looking set. I just love it. They made so many wonderful Disney sets this summer. Anyway, like this one and like Ariel's wedding boat. Anyway, this is the end of the video. See you next time. Bye bye.